Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Grace. In case this is your first time, please feel so much welcome. Kindly consider hitting that subscribe button. Also like this video and comment on it. Let me know what you think. Today's dish is a very simple tomato and chicken rice dish. Let's get to it. So guys, for this meal I'll be using chicken breast, and I used one piece of chicken breast, and the first step was to just slice it into some small cubes, biteable size, and then I'm just going to be preparing them for marination while I prepare the rest of the ingredients for today's meal. For the marination, I used a few garlic cloves and I minced them using this mincer, as you can see, and I also added some curry powder. You can just add according to your preference, and also some paprika powder. I also added some black pepper and salt to taste, and I also gave it a little bit of cooking oil, and then I mixed all these together and let them sit until I was done preparing the rest of the ingredients. Over to the next ingredient, I'm going to be using a white onion, one large white onion. You can use any other onion of choice, it's still okay. I'm going to be using this onion to fry the rice. I'm also using one sweet corn, which is uncooked, because I'm going to be cooking it as I fry the rest of the ingredients. And for this, I'm just removing all the sweet corn from the cob. That way they're not they're easy to consume. And the next ingredient was the carrots. I used 3 carrots in this meal. You can do more or less depending on how much food you're making. And for this, I also chopped them into just medium size. For the next ingredient, guys, which is totally optional, is the kale. And the reason why I chose to add kale in my rice was for the kids' sake, so that they would consume more vegetables. I also thought it's a nice addition of color to my rice. It will bring out different colors, because we already have the carrots, which is orange, we have the sweet corn, which is yellow, and this was going to just bring out some nice colors on the rice. So over to the cooking. The first thing is to heat your pot, and then I added some cooking oil. Then I added my white onion to fry until translucent. Once the onion was translucent, I then went ahead to add my chicken breast, which had already marinated, and then I let this cook until golden brown. I also added some extra seasoning to the meal, because the one I had used for marination was not enough. So I added some more salt, some curry powder, and cumin powder. Once the chicken was cooked, I then went ahead to add the rest of the vegetables, starting with the carrots, the sweet corn, and then I just let this cook for a little while before I added the kale. Once I had added the kale, I let it cook for like 2 minutes, and then I mixed everything together and went ahead to the next step. And here again we go with my love for green onion. I just had to add them into the rice, and it was a very nice addition. I love the green onion. On to our next step, I'm going to be adding some tomato ketchup, which is our secret ingredient for today's meal. Please remember to be generous enough depending on the amount of rice you're making. The next step, and this is our final step for today's meal, I'll be adding this rice that I had already boiled on the side. This is fully cooked rice. That means you can also add your leftover rice if you have any in your house that is left over and you want to stretch it. This is a nice way to stretch your leftover rice, but if you don't have, you can also do cook rice while you make the rest of the vegetables. And once it's fully cooked, just go ahead and add everything together. I didn't do anything else after this, guys. After adding my rice, I just mixed everything together and it was ready to serve. Now our meal is ready to serve, and guys, you can choose to be as fancy as you would like to go with this meal. This is how I simply served my plate of rice. You can do whichever and whatever makes you happy. It's all for your own good. Now remember, guys, to please comment down below, give me your feedback on today's video. If you would change anything, what would it be? I would love to know on the comments down below. Also, thank you to all those that have been reaching out to me on my Facebook and on the Instagram page. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate your support and your feedback. It means a lot to me to interact with you guys and know what you truly think about the meals I share here on my YouTube page. So guys, that's it. A very simple meal, very tasty and delicious. It was a really nice meal, I must say. And yeah, that's it for this video. Until our next video, kindly stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, remember to stay safe, remember to wear your mask and wash your hands. That's it, guys. Stay safe. Until our next one, see you. Love you guys. Bye.